Start by measuring the width for the adjustment panel. Cut adjustment panel to size. Be sure to cut from one side to maximize magnet placement. Then, place it on top of the foam insert. After making sure it is level, install provided screws in tile edging along with water-resistant screws into the framing. Next, apply liquid waterproofing to the height adjustment panel and wallboard and install reinforcement fabric at the horizontal joint. Finally, cut the liquid waterproofing at the edge of the foam and remove the insert.